all guys, so I have received the center console wrap kit with cup holder for the Tesla Model 3 2021 to 2023 and the Tesla Model Y from 2021 to 2024. Let's unbox it. Let me show you how it fits. Alright guys, so this is how it comes. Okay, this is a wrap kit. You will just slide it, through the bottom of this part right here. Okay, so it will actually just open freely. Okay, it's not gonna get on the way, it's not gonna move, and it looks very nice. This part right here is definitely gonna keep it in place, and while you action this lid, is not going to move from that position. Now this other part, it is for the cup holder, so we'll simply put it like this. Just in an instant, it's going to completely wrap all your center console without having to put any adhesives or any tapes or anything. Okay, you will actually get this installation cleaning kit just in case you want to clean it before you install it, but definitely, I mean, if you already have it clean, it's gonna go just as easy as that. It's gonna install in seconds, and it's gonna make your Tesla look awesome. One of the benefits of having this silicone on, okay, is that it is waterproof. Okay, so if water falls right here, not only you will be able to just wipe it down, but it's not gonna damage any of your components right here. And if it falls on this part, it's just gonna go in this cup holder. You're gonna be able to get out the water, and that's it. Again, to install it is as simple as just inserting this, and it's gonna keep your car clean and looking very good. I hope that the information about the center console silicone kit with cup holder for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you in the next video.